What do you think a Puerto Rican hooker has in it?
Clam juice.
Tequila. We're going to take a healthy amount of tequila.
All right.
An ounce.
That's not a healthy amount.
Depends on who you're talking to. For Dave, that's a healthy amount of tequila.
All right. Wait a minute. So a Puerto Rican hooker is just tequila?
No, I got to get the tequila cold.
Okay.
Then we pour in the mystery ingredient.
Clam juice?
No. An ounce.
In the tequila?
Hidden the tequila. All right. Here's your Puerto Rican hooker. And if you don't like it, I'll take it.
You don't need to.
Cheers. Oh, why did I smell it?
Holy shit, that's good. Like, that's... Now that Dave has had his temper tantrum, for people who like salt with their tequila, that is gonna fill that need for you. Yeah, that'll do. That's very good. Even with the pickle juice?
The pickle juice made it worse.
I disagree. We're split on that one because I thought that was great.
This reminded me of Jose Cuervo. Like when you would do the shots with the thing and the lime and this reminded me of that. I had a traumatic experience and it took me back to that.